Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder questions in Google Forms in a quick and simple way. If you've ever built a form and then realized the questions are in the wrong order, don't stress. Google Forms lets you fix this in seconds without deleting anything or rebuilding your form from scratch. This is actually one of the simplest editing tricks inside Google Forms, but it makes a big difference in how professional and easy to follow your form feels for users. A well-ordered form improves response quality, reduces confusion, and helps people move through your questions smoothly from start to finish. So, let's jump straight into it. First, open your Google form and make sure you are in editing mode. This is the main screen where you create and adjust questions. You won't be able to rearrange anything in preview mode, so just double check you're in the right place. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see all your questions stacked vertically on the page, each in its own box. Now, here's the important part. When you move your mouse over any question, a small control area appears on the left side of the question box. You'll notice a 6-dot icon. This is the drag handle. It might look small, but it's the key to reorganizing your entire form. Click and hold those 6 dots. As soon as you hold it, you'll be able to move the question up or down. Don't release your mouse yet. While dragging, you'll see other questions shift and create space, showing you exactly where your question will land. This visual feedback is really helpful because it prevents mistakes and makes it easy to structure your form logically. Now move the question to your preferred position. You can place it higher if it's an important question, or lower if it's a follow-up or less critical item. Once you're happy with the position, release the mouse button. The question will snap into place instantly. And that's really the entire process. You can repeat this as many times as you need. Just grab the 6-dot handle, drag the question, and drop it where you want. No limits, no extra settings, no complications. For example, if you're building a job application form, you might want personal details at the top, followed by experience questions at the end. Rearranging helps you create that logical flow without rebuilding anything. Or if you're creating a quiz, you might want easier questions first and harder ones later to warm up the respondent. One useful tip is always to preview your form after making changes. Click the preview icon at the top of the screen to see how your form looks from the respondent's perspective. This helps you confirm that everything flows naturally and nothing feels out of place. Another small but important habit is to group similar questions together. It makes your form feel more structured and reduces mental effort for the person filling it out. And don't worry about making mistakes. Google Forms is very forgiving. You can always go back and drag questions again until everything feels right. So, to quickly summarize, open your form, hover over a question, grab the 6-dot drag handle, move it up or down, and drop it into place. That's it. You've now learned how to reorder questions in Google Forms in just a few simple steps, and you can completely restructure any form in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your forms cleaner, more organized, and easier for people to use.